Might this be the highest value product in the entire McIntosh product lineup? Let's dive into the new McIntosh MHT300 receiver and find out. Hi, I'm Ron with Gramophone, and this is the aforementioned MHT300 receiver from McIntosh. We're going to dive into a lot of the capabilities and features of this wonderful new product. But before we do, subscribe to the channel, click the notification bell, and stay updated. So why is this receiver such a good value? It's pretty simple, and we're all aware that separate components always offer the best performance. Those are things like amplifiers, preamplifiers, and processors. And each of them gets its own chassis, its own power supply, and some very specific design parameters. When you combine things in a single chassis like a receiver, value really increases. There's a 65+ year heritage of making some of the most iconic audio products the audio world has ever seen. In addition, we all love the black glass etched faceplate with subtle blue and green lighting. Staring at that thing for the next decade, that's a wow. And as most of us know, McIntosh is very much known for separate components. But for those of us looking for a one-box solution, this is an ideal choice for peak performance in both surround sound and two-channel listening modes. There is no brand of audio product out there that retains its value quite like McIntosh does. 7 channels driven at either 120 or 150 watts per, based on the impedance of your speaker. When more channels get driven in receivers like that, the power drops, the bandwidth shrinks, and the distortion curve goes way up. Bottom line, performance is significantly compromised. That's not the McIntosh way. They were not trying to hit a price point when designing this receiver. Clearly, this product was designed and built to the McIntosh standard, rather than standards held by other companies in the industry. One other feature set that's really important is room correction. And McIntosh has, of course, incorporated the best currently available DIRAC full room correction. DIRAC is different and special because unlike other room correction circumstances that only pay attention to frequency response, DIRAC also involves time arrival. That allows any room, no matter the acoustics, no matter the furnishings, no matter the speaker placement difficulties, to have the sonic performance optimized in both surround modes and in stereo. One other important part of DIRAC room correction is it doesn't focus best sound on just one seat. It takes into account the entire room seating circumstances, so more than just one person gets to enjoy the system perform at its best. Connectivity is 100% digital. You'll notice 4 HDMI inputs. All of them are either 8K 60 Hz, 4K 120 Hz capable. You'll also notice there's an eARC output. This allows for seamless bidirectional communication when necessary. There are 4 digital inputs. 2 of them are optical and 2 of them are coaxial. You can connect analog source components via optional A to D conversion. Setup is laptop based. This is really a much simpler way than using a remote control and an on-screen setup menu. So adding other components at the beginning as well as in the future are simple and easy to execute. Here's something really cool. When you look at the 7 channels of amplification present on the McIntosh, you'll notice bridges above them connecting the processing section of the receiver to the amplifying section. Removing these bridges allows you to configure the 7 amplifiers in any way that you need to based on your room and your circumstances. Additionally, you'll notice there are height channel outputs. You can connect external amplification and execute height channels for a full Dolby Atmos experience. This rear channel layout really aims at simple, non-menu driven execution when you need to make changes in how you configure the McIntosh MHT300. Let's finish off by talking about the 2 important safety features incorporated in almost all McIntosh products: PowerGuard and Sentry Monitor. PowerGuard is a feature that protects your speakers in the event of overly loud listening where distortion could potentially damage them. It sort of clamps down when necessary so that speaker damage cannot occur. Sentry Monitor is also patented, and it prevents any speaker wiring short circumstances from damaging your amplifier. And this is a fuseless, and again, patented circuit that McIntosh has used for many years. If you want an all-in-one product that pulls no punches and offers unbelievable, uncompromising performance in both surround and two-channel modes, if your primary focus is more on digital products than on analog products, if pride of ownership and iconic McIntosh build quality are appealing to you, and owning greatness matters, then the McIntosh MHT300 receiver might be right for you. Check out products from all of our great brands at Gramophone.com. You can shop for many fine Gramophone products on SkyByGramophone.com, where you get secure checkout and fast and free shipping. If you're interested in learning more about or seeing this product, please call or stop by one of our showrooms. You can find us in Timonium, Columbia, and Gaithersburg, Maryland. And please don't forget about our Kitchen Design Center up in Hunt Valley, as well as our new and gorgeous Gramophone Experience Center, located right across the parking lot from our Timonium retail showroom. Thanks for watching this video about the McIntosh MHT300. I hope you enjoyed it. Please leave us a like or in the comments section enter any comments or questions you might have. As always, here's to MBG, more better goosebumps, as I like to say. Till next time, this is Ron with Gramophone.